Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to organize items wheel. In the beginning, let's press B button. Here we've got our items wheel. For example, let's select on the first line items to chop wood and stone pickaxe, and next let's put there some food. In case we are hungry. On the second line, let's set up items for planting. So we need hoe, seeds, and wooden watering can. Also we can add rabbit feed, and in case you've got it, you can set fertilizer here. Now, in order to switch between those lines, press Alt button and scroll up or down. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.